We design and build custom manufacturing automation and tooling. If there is a problem that you need to solve in your manufacturing process and you can't just go buy it, you go to firms like us that specialize in the exotic. We don't make dozens of anything. Everything we do is, 1, 2, 5 off, that's about it. But there tend to be highly engineered manufacturing solutions for whatever oddball problem it is that you have. We can do both custom machine design and robotic system design. Depending on the application that we're looking at, sometimes robots are an excellent solution, and other times if we're looking at more exotic processes for the customers, maybe a robot solution isn't the best and you have to design a machine from scratch, but that obviously ends up being more expensive. And so through the course of working on projects with our customers, we go through and kind of figure out what their requirements are and what the best solution is for them, whether it's a robot or a clean sheet machine. A lot of the ways that we're innovating is investing a ton in ourselves. So there's some just fantastic technologies that are coming out in manufacturing automation so that we can educate ourselves on all the latest and greatest features that we can then build into our own systems so that when we're offering these systems to our customers, we truly are experts on what is the latest and greatest technologies. Our engineers design the machine or tool, whatever it is, but then once all the parts come in, they actually go out on the shop floor and assemble and commission the machine and then ultimately deliver it to our customers and install it in their factory. So we tend to pursue folks that have a lot of hands-on experience. A lot of our engineers are on the younger side. We tend to hire a lot of folks right out of school. What we do tends to be pretty specialized, and you can come in with a ton of experience in engineering and still not know exactly how to do what it is that we do. So we kind of tend to home grow folks. We are spoiled because we do what we do. We get to see inside of those really cool facilities and see some amazing pieces of engineering.